I have here the Frida Baby portable sound machine and Nightlight. So basically it's really easy. You just pull this off. It's like a button strap to get to the area where you charge it. It wraps around actually to all the buttons and things and turn it on and the lights. But you can do that without opening this. I'll show you. You just snap this back. Excuse me a second here, if I can get it with one hand. There we go. And what you do is you turn the on button right here, and you have the Nightlight button right here. Let's try the Nightlight first and see how it works. Oh, you just click it once, okay. And let me see if it has different settings here. Click it a couple of different times. What's this? Oh, volume. Okay, volume control up and down. I wonder if that also is for the light. Let's try it. Nope, doesn't seem to do much there. Nope, okay, so that's for volume only. Let's click this button again. Oh, yeah, that's how you do the light up and down. Second setting there. Third setting, really bright. Off. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Okay, and then the sound, you just hold this button. Oh, I have to hold it longer than that. There we go. And you got the plus and minus here for the volume controls. That's nice. Works great. Now, let's see, I think that's probably the only sound that they have, because there's no other setting, unless you click the middle. Let's see here. Yep, you do. Nice. There we go. Not sure which my favorite one is. That one's nice. Kind of, I think that crashing would probably wake me up there. Second setting, this is my favorite. You just have to turn it down a little bit. Yeah, really nice machine. So portable, rechargeable, it's great. You don't have to plug it in, it's perfect. Alright guys, there you go. Definitely recommend this one. It's tiny, fits in the palm of my hand, has a nice night light that you can adjust the settings, and it has several different sounds and volume control. Works great. Thanks again, take care.